Hello, my worship warriors and vocal enthusiasts. I want to give you a sneak peek of something really special, something I'm really excited about. It is a copy. Wait, it's upside down. A copy of my vocal planner, my for worship leaders. Yeah. This is a test version, actually. I had one printed off just to see, what it looks like, what it feels like. And I've got to say, I'm quite happy. I'm really happy with this. I printed it with two labels, two front pages. Let me just show you. So I printed with this front page, and then I printed it with that front page, basically because I couldn't make up my mind which one I liked, which one I preferred, so I needed to see which one looks better. Okay, which one do you think looks better, this one or this one? Number one or number two? Yeah. It's A5, as you can see, quite small, so it's really nice. You can put it in your bag, or in your guitar case, or in your keyboard case, and carry it around with you to church, or when you get up in the morning, it fits nice and neatly on on your table, or on you, if you've got a music stand, it sits on your music stand. It's really A5, just nice and convenient. Okay, let's go inside, look really quickly. So there's the two cover pages. Then it starts with your vocal goals here. So I just believe if you're going to plan, or you're going to create a routine, you want to have some goals that you want to work towards. So this is where you put your goals. On this page, this is actually the inside page. You just tells you what's inside the actual planner, gives you the titles of what's inside the planner. And then if you go on to the next page, it says my repertoire. So as you're practicing, you probably find you'll be singing some new songs, or the songs suit your voice. You would write down your repertoire here and start building your song list. Yeah. First day, when you're actually going in, this is a daily log. This is where you log what you're doing. So from day to day, and there's seven of these pages, and you use them from day to day. And it asks you ask yourself the question: today I want to, and you want to work on something. What exercise you're going to use, and what observations you made. And here you can't actually see it. Actually, the font here is a little bit too small, but again, this, as I said, this is the test version, so this gives me an idea of what it would look like. Here I give you examples of areas of your voice that you can work on. So if you need that kind of inspiration or trigger, yeah, I've put examples here so that you can see, oh, what do I need to work on here? Okay, I can work on my head, my head voice. I can work on my tone. I can work on stability or agility. Yeah, all of that's written up here. Okay, and that's the same for all the pages. Actually, so let me just take you through so you can see it's all the same. See? Okay, this goes on for 7 days. Okay, I can't turn pages backwards. Okay, so you get 7 of those, and then finally at the end of the week you want to record your vocal journey. Okay, so this is your vocal journey, and in here you want to write your successes, your breakthroughs, what worked, what didn't work, highs, lows, and at the end of the week you want to have an idea of what do you need to do next. Yeah, and what you need to do next is here at the back. So I give you some options of how to connect with me if you want to go forward with your with developing your voice. You can contact me obviously by Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can join. If you're old-fashioned, you can join the newsletter community. Actually, there's nothing wrong with joining a newsletter. It's a really effective way of staying in touch. And yeah, or you can book in a vocal clarity call as well. So I'm talking more about my vocal clarity call because I know that there are many of you guys out there who need some insight, or just some help about your singing, and so I provide vocal clarity calls. Anyway, so that's the last page there. and then you got the inside cover, the barcode, and then the back page. So I'm just giving you a little sneak peek. These are going to be ready really soon. I've been working on the fuller version of it, and so I'm hoping that I can have these released ready for purchase for the new year, like January. So you know, if you want to purchase one of these, you can do so from January. There is a light version available online actually, so if you want to download the light version, the link is downstairs. It's downstairs. The link is down below or to the side, depending on wherever you're watching this. But if you're watching it on YouTube, it's down below. Okay. All right. So I hope that. I hope I'm really hoping that this is going to be of benefit to the worship community, especially singers. So if you want to purchase one, do keep an eye out. Everything will be revealed very soon. Okay. Take care and God bless.